Morning everybody, thanks for tuning in. I'm up the sticks again today. Got a little road improvement project on a forest road. Do plenty of these sort of jobs. Road widenings, corner radius changes, all that sort of thing. Over the river. What we're doing today is we're going to put in a culvert under the road. The culvert's just like a drain. The reason is, oh hello, we've got a tree down across the road. That's not very surprising. These are probably the guys I'm working with, so we'll stop and have a look. Maybe we'll need some explosives to clear it. Probably not. But we'll have a look. Alright, we're back on the road again. One of the guys had a handsaw, so we didn't need to blow it up. Such is life. It's been quite a while since I've had to blow up one of those. Where were we? Yeah, okay. Putting a culvert under the road. Up the sticks. Story of my life. By myself today. It's just a small job. No need to get Kev or Paul or Greg or anyone else along to help. Just testing out the new camera. This is DJI Osmo Mark II. First Osmo had a fatal accident a week ago and is no more. See how this one goes. Interestingly, this one's got a few revisions, a few hardware revisions and some new software, so that's got to be a good thing, I guess. Sorry about my dirty windscreen, haven't had time to clean it lately. Probably hear my gearbox singing, it's ready for a rebuild. Friday at last, I tell you what, I'm glad. It's been a pretty big week. I'm supposed to be working on another job up the sticks tomorrow, but I think it's going to be knocked on the head because we forecast a lot of rain. Yeah, 15 to 25 mil of rain, so that's not going to be a goer. It's kind of good, so that'll get bumped to Monday or Tuesday. So this is what the job looks like. This is where the pipe's got to go. Actually, this is just the bench. The pipe's got to go 2 metres below here, so there might be more rock again. Dan's got to get the digger out the way before I can blast anything. Going to be interesting. He might do better if he turned around and pushed himself out, I think. Yeah, anyway, so there's a rock here which has got to go. They can't move that, and there's 2 more up that end. He's going to try and push himself out. Not an enviable spot to be in. It's pretty wet and pussy, I tell you what. And there's a rock in the way, so he can't dig the ramp any shallower. So that's a bit difficult, isn't it? And then gets out of the hole. That's pretty pussy. Good job. Beautiful. Okay, this is a 7-hole shot in the Culvert. And there's the damage. Oh good, no trouble digging that out.